Hi guys and welcome back. Basically today I am back on doing the spray booth. So these are the inlet filters frames. So it's just small angle iron. So I've basically cut the miters for the corners, measured the square, allowing for about a 2mm tolerance because I want them quite tight to seal nicely. And then I'll drill. I'll probably actually before I weld it up, I'll drill 3 holes on each side, so I can basically force the inlet filter up tight on. It's got like a stop in there rebate, and then we'll just kind of sandwich it in there and kind of seal it in. Yeah, so it should work fine. This floor is really flat in here, so it's quite a good base to sit it down on and keep it nice and flat. Tried to cut the miters as clean and as square as I can, or 45 I should say. Not come out too bad. So I'll drill those, weld them up, and then I've done one that fitted really nice and snug, which is good. That's for the exhaust filter. So now I've got the 2 inlets to make, and there's a couple of others as well. Okay, so I've now drilled my holes, just small holes in the side there. Don't know if you can see those. So I'll put 3 holes in each side. I'll probably just screw them at the ends, but I've got the option of putting one in the middle as well, just in case I need an extra screw in there. So I just basically tacked the whole frame together at this stage, and now I'm going to go and try it in place. If it fits up okay, then I'll seam weld the whole thing. Okay, I've tried it in position and it fits lovely and snug, so now we're just going to weld it all up. Okay, so finished all the frames now, so they're now all welded up, really just to fit. So I can put all my filters now into the spray booth, which would be really cool. Okay, so I've also finished all the fan enclosure. All the motors now mounted on there, ready for wiring up. You see the wire actually like a flex wire that runs down to the motor. So that's obviously isn't connected yet. So that's got to be connected up. So that runs along here, and I've built this little box enclosure which is open to allow sort of air running behind, because there's a switch going into this hole here. It's like a rheostat, so it will actually control the speed of the motor, so I can control the amount of air that's moving through the booth. I also need to put some monitor on here as well to see how much negative pressure is in the booth, so I can tell when the filters need changing using that. I've also run all my airlines through, and they run into the other shed as well, straight off the compressor. They're not connected yet, but they're nearly there. I just need a flexy sort of hose from a whip from the compressor, joining onto this plastic tube. yeah, so that's all done. Yeah, lights. Put a light in here as well. It's actually quite a high rated light. It's not a spray booth light, so but it is sealed up. LED light. Sink's all in now. A couple of shelves. Already started putting stuff on them. Oh, I better turn the lights on. Hang on, guys. Yeah. So my Mini's actually in here at the moment because my son's Mini is on the lift next door, but we will have to change them over when his is all finished. So I'm going to mount these. You can probably see that light down there. I'm going to mount 2 LED lights at the back and enclose those and seal them up. 3-stage filter is now been put in, so that's kind of nearly ready to go. Yeah, so it's getting pretty close. Yeah, lights. So yeah, you can see I've just got these fluorescent tubes. I'm going to take them out and put something different in there. I've been umming and ahhing about that for quite a while now, but I just think it's the way to go because I've done everything else in here, up to a standard. So I might as well finish it with good lights in here as well. Yeah, so the doors are all kind of finished. The only thing I've got to do is seal. They actually sit back a bit. You can see the gap up there, which allows for a rubber seal to go all the way around the doors. Yeah, so I'm going to run a piece of aluminium strip and bond that to the concrete on the edge there, and then run a seal on that as well. So the doors will all be sealed up. Yeah. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Please leave any comments, and yeah, see you in the next video. Cheers for now.